The Mysterious World by Ethan Hernandez, ASE 4th grade. Introduction. This is my second PowerPoint about this project because the other PowerPoint was too long. I started learning about space when I was 4 and it still interests me today. When I grow up, I want to become an astronomer, which is a space scientist. In this PowerPoint, I will show you every planet in a mysterious world. Now, let's get on with the PowerPoint. Table of contents. Our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, terrestrial moons, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and gas giant moons. Our solar system. This is the solar system. There are a total of 8 planets in our solar system, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They all orbit around the sun that's at the middle of the solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet from the sun. Mercury has different temperatures depending on the time of day. Daytime is insanely hot, while nighttime is insanely cold. Mercury takes 88 days to orbit the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, having a surface temperature of 464 degrees Celsius, which is 867 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus takes 224 days to orbit the sun. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, just being a little bit smaller. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is the only planet that contains life, and Earth lives in the habitable zone. Earth takes 365 days to orbit the sun. Earth is slightly bigger than Venus. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is known as the red planet and used to contain water that is now frozen. Mars takes 686 days to orbit the sun. Mars is bigger than Mercury but smaller than Earth. Terrestrial moons. Mercury has no moons, Venus has no moons, Earth has one moon called Luna, and Mars has 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. Jupiter is called the king of all planets and is a gas giant. Jupiter takes 11 years and 86 days to orbit the sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. Saturn has magnificent rings and is also a gas giant. Saturn takes 26 years and 433 days to orbit the sun. Saturn is the second biggest planet in the solar system. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. It has very faint rings and is an ice giant. Uranus takes 84 years to orbit the sun. Uranus is the 3rd biggest planet in our solar system. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. Neptune also has very faint rings and is also an ice giant. Neptune takes roughly 165 years to orbit the sun. Neptune is the smallest out of the giants, therefore making it the 4th biggest planet in our solar system. Gas giant moons. Jupiter has 95 moons, and the biggest and most popular moon is Ganymede. Saturn has 146 moons, and the most popular moon is Titan. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune has 14 moons. Thanks for listening, and always keep looking up.